This breakout pattern has been working wonderfully on XRP and on Bitcoin recently. I've been sharing it on the community tab and I'm going to be looking at this a lot more moving forward. So Bitcoin's pumped 10% since this breakout. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP's next price targets, and on top of that, my next $5,000 trade and an update on my $5,000 challenge with Bybit. So let's get to the video. So what's happening, guys? It's Dan Chung here, aka Champ. Welcome back to the Coin Bureau trading channel, and things are looking a little good. We've had a nice breakout and these key levels are working wonderfully. Yet again, I really want you guys to take away and learn in this video that how respective key levels are. So currently we're looking at Bitcoin. Now, if we look at Bitcoin, and let me just clean this up a tiny bit for you guys so we can see, we had the Fibonacci retracement level at 61.8. Now, I said in this video, if we had this level retested, it can easily test the 30k mark, which is exactly what we are doing right now, and that target has been beautifully set. The only problem is I wasn't able to get a massive trade on this, because if we do look on the lower time frame, we had rejected this support multiple times. We broke out up onto the upside, and we could have got a buy here or even a buy here to get to our next target level, which is at that 30k mark. But you win some, you lose some. I was able to get a very small trade, but nothing to ride home about. So on that note, the next upcoming trade that I am waiting for Bitcoin is I want to give it a few hours, even maybe a day or two, just to settle. So what we want to do now is, now that the market's moving, we want to try and capture some trades because we want to be in a position to buy. Now, things are looking good for that buy. We want to retest potentially on this key level at 28,580, or even what would be really strong trade. Now, this will be a longer term trade, is if we break up above 30k, we would look to try and ride it all the way to 34k. So just for the ease of access of the eyes, this is what the trades would look like. If we put a buy and long sell position here, so we had a long, we take profit at 30k. Now, question, if some of you guys may be asking, it's like, if I buy that at 30k, why am I trying to sell at 30k when I could probably ride this to 34k? Each trade you have to take at a time. Now, yes, this can go higher, but you want to secure your profits. And then the easiest answer is, if it hits 30k, take your money. Then when it retests back onto the 30k, 29k again, you buy again, and you've got two positions. And then this way you secured the first win and you've made money on the first one. And then if you take the second trade, you would make a big trade and a big win there. So we can see from this trade, this will be roughly a 7% win if we get this trade. So we're looking for the first one, which is a break, potentially a retest on this level, and then a buy. Or if we do break up and above, we'll be buying on this level here, which will be up to here, which will be a 1 to 5 trade, 5% there available. So that is a Bitcoin. Bitcoin's looking very good now, and that breakout pattern we need to recognize. And if we look again on XRP, if we go on the lower time frame, you can see that this pendant was forming, is broken out, and XRP right now there is a lot more of a bigger buy. So we can see, if I show you an update on my Bybit, we can see that we're at 4,812. The journal, we did an update here, so you can see my equity has started off with 5,000, went as high as 5,250, went all the way down low as 4,400 equity curve, and then we're coming close to break even at the moment. Now, with this, I'll be updating all the trades, all the YouTube videos, and all the screenshots. And on that note, with Bybit at the moment, if you do sign up, do your first trade, you will get $30 for free as an airdrop. It's withdrawable, it's not a bonus, it's actually $30 credit, and it's just for you guys, literally the Coin Bureau trading family. This is the only promotion that's out there, and it's for us just to help you guys with your learn and earn, and help you guys with your trading. That's the whole point of why I've joined the team and why I'm part of this community and this family, is to help you guys learn and earn, trade, which I'm super passionate about, and also help you guys with the best amazing deals that there are out there. Now, going back onto Bybit, we can see that we were holding on the support and buys were there. Now, on XRP, I actually sent a trade, and actually said a trade, but it's not opening now, is this pending buy. Let's go back onto it. So we actually had a pending buy, which was a limit order that I said was never hit. That limit was basically to retest this and run all the way to take profit at this next key level at 0.48. So we can see exactly that happened, but I wasn't able to get that trade because it didn't trigger me. However, what is really good, and what's a really good takeaway, is that key levels work. It helps you identify your targets and helps you identify these trades. So use these key levels, tune into us every single day with these YouTube videos where I'm giving you my key levels. You can identify them and use them for yours, and then you will be able to see and predict potential the next targets and have an edge for profitable trades. So right now, XRP, we're looking for the same thing. If we can retest this 0.46, 6, I will be looking for a buy again. But remember, one of the rules is I'll probably be looking for Bitcoin over XRP, as Bitcoin is looking a lot cleaner with its setup as opposed to XRP. Now, next up is Ethereum. This is the big dog one. Ethereum, now I said in the previous video, if we broke the support, we'd come all the way down to test the next support and the next support. And it did exactly that back in the past because key levels. And if we're doing that right now, we can have the opposite effect. Now, we are holding bullish on the support, which, if you've seen the other videos, have been retested, and now we have bounced beautifully on this 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, which means there is a high probability that this can take out the previous high. Now, if this takes out the previous high, guess what? We have a strong opportunity for Ethereum to potentially come to this next key level at 2,300 and 2,800 if we pump enough. Look at that movement. Look at this space that's available. It can easily come up to the 2,100 mark, but I do think that 2,800 is potentially on the books. So these are the next targets. These are the next availables. Now, this is a different type of format because we wanted to get the price and the information to you as quickly as possible. So let me know in the comments below how you find this type of video. And if you want to see more of these, just literally straight to the point, target levels and key levels when it comes to trading. And then I'll be looking forward to making more of these because it's super fun and it's super interesting because we've got some good trade setups, and finally we can get some trades in and put the account back in profit. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, check out the wicked deals that we've got below, and we'll see you in the next video. Champ out. Peace.